Hey guys, this is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. I've been working as a professional trainer for the past 6 years in Hong Kong, and I'm right now doing some YouTube videos where I explain the way I do my analysis. So it's technical, but it's fundamental as well, where I found my information and how you guys can do it as well. So if you want to know about all this stuff, you are in the right place. So today I want to talk about AMC, guys, which is a very controversial topic. I had a lot of comments and good and bad comments on my latest video I did on the stock. So I want to do one more to update you guys on what happened and what I see coming. Let's get into it. All right, so first, maybe we can start with looking at the chart quickly. So the earnings, no update on the earnings, but we know they had some better earnings, in the first quarter of 2021. I mean, they're probably going to be better. In terms of volume, guys, I like to check the volume. So we had 1 billion shares trading at 5. So it's like around 5 billion USD trading. All right, the max volume, so it's around 250% of the total market cap. The short interest, guys. So once again, to find the short interest, it's very interesting because I had a lot of people telling me you are wrong on the short interest. You don't know what you're talking about. But guys, I'm a professional trader. So I have Bloomberg, which I don't use for my videos because I'm not allowed. But I cross-check my data and I can find my data on MarketBeat, guys. This is free. You can go there and I can tell you that it's not exactly the same. On Bloomberg, you have 10%. Here you have 23%. And this is data from January 29th. So if you want to know what are the short interests right now, you need to work on the repo market and you need to ask for some live information, which is very expensive. So nobody actually gets it. So I don't have it. But what I know is that, the short interest is not very big. It was 70% before. It dropped heavily, guys. So basically all the short guys, they cut their position here in this rally. All right, so this what created this short squeeze, guys, and short squeeze only happen when you have big short interest. So what I'm saying is that the short squeeze won't happen here again because you don't have enough short positions in this market. So we had around 700% in a matter of few weeks. So what is the situation now? Let's go first on the news. First, you guys know that what happened. So it was on Reddit, it was on Wall Street Bets. You had this guy, all right? So Roaring Kitty. So this guy is actually going to the Congress, guys. It all started with GME, all right? That rocked the market last month, played out mostly in the dark on anonymous internet forums. We're talking here about Reddit, Wall Street Bets, even Twitter, which is not a dark forum or whatever, and off exchange trading platform. So blah blah blah. This drama will come out in the open, and it will be the government's first public attempt to sort out what happened in the last 2 weeks of January. Because guys, what we don't know, what I don't know, what nobody knows is, are these guys insiders? Do they have information that they shared illegally to actually benefit from it, which is called front running or market manipulation? And they're going to have some issues if it's the case. So let's see if they are just some kind of very good day trader that just had the feeling, or if they had some information that they can't lie to the Congress. They will find out if they did. So this is going to be very interesting to look at. Then about AMC, guys, this is something I want to show. I know you guys are gonna put dislikes because you did on my last video when I'm not saying good things about AMC, but you need to face the reality, guys. You need to look at the truth. All right, this is what happened in the AMC rally. So these are some people that own AMC, in their portfolio. So an investment management firm, a return, so blah blah blah. Miller Value Partners was a detractor for the portfolio. So they say AMC was a detractor for the portfolio in the fourth quarter of 2020 because it lost a lot of money. For the past 3 months, AMC delivered an impressive 88% return. All right, guys. So there was a real growth and return to 550. Then the interesting thing to notice, guys, is what happened during this rally. So AMC Entertainment, so these guys that basically, cinema and stuff like this, of course, it's not working during the COVID. And I'm not sure it's going to come back very soon. We need to see how the vaccine is going to work, especially like, with all the different kind of like COVID that arrive. Is it still going to be effective? We don't know. But, it's not good to do cinema in this kind of situation. So I plan on discussing here why it was worth at least $10 per share. All right, so this is what the guys that own it, that know everything about the firm, were saying. And then they say that basically when the stock went high, you know, with all the speculative powers that were coming in the game, we sold it around $14 during the last week of Jan. This was a modest profit for most clients, but a loss for some others. So they basically were lucky. They are saying a dose of good luck, which are heartily accept from the universe, as it seemed somewhat lacking in the portfolio of late. All right, so basically the professionals, what did they do when AMC was here flying at these levels? All right, $14, so it was here. They sold it. To whom? To the retail guys. So this is usually the stuff that is happening on the markets. All right, when something is very overvalued, people who know what it's worth are selling it, and people who don't know are buying it. All right, I'm not saying there were no chance it would go higher just like GME did. I'm just saying that these guys, they are, you know, they were the selling pressure. So it's not short, it was natural sellers, guys. All right, so people say we hold, we don't sell. All right, but those who hold even more and who are actually, you know, intervening with the firm politics are actually those who are selling here. So now what is the situation? I think so we are back to something more normal. All right, so all these guys on Wall Street bets, they are going to see the Congress. So if they had some, you know, inside information, they will have issues. So for now, they're not talking about AMC anymore. But we have a nice support at 5, guys. All right, so this stock used to be around 30, even more, 50, stuff like this. So now just technically, yes, we have the moving averages coming just here at 430. So wait a bit, maybe in a few weeks they're going to be at 5, and we're going to have a nice double support. So here it was the initial, I just put my support level at the maximum level just before the gap up, guys, and here it was, you know, you can see it worked, it acted as resistance as well. Here as well, here it was support. All right, so this 5 level is a strong support now. So guys, it's maybe the time to reload some of AMC shares and, you know, just hold it for a long period of time and not expecting anything crazy. All right, just play it the normal way. Look at the volumes. The volumes are back to, you know, it was 1 billion. Now it's trading, you know, 100 million, so 10 times less. So guys, this is, you know, back to something more normal. And yes, I'm not bearish on this. I mean, like in the long term, it's probably a very nice level to buy. So if you guys are long the stuff, just hold it. All right, hold it, as you like to say. So yeah, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and once again, I hope I managed to make myself clear about the short interest, about how the professionals are actually handling this kind of situation, and about the story that are behind AMC. And if you did, please don't forget to click the like, sub and bell button, so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And I'm going to talk about all this stuff, guys, so stay close to shore.